And the winner is Alison Becker.
Alison Becker. The Brazilian star was a vital part of the Liverpool team that conquered Europe and the Seleção that won the Copa America.